Today we are going to talk about saving disk space so that your computer performance will be better. Inshallah. Not everything on your computer or laptop hard disk is necessarily utilized usually. While some files are opened daily, others are opened rarely. In most cases, the infrequently opened files take up to more than 50% of the disk space. The hard disk drive space is probably the most important component of your computer. Without it, your computer would never be able to save any files, you would not be able to boot up your operating system, and could never be able to install or open an application. In order to keep your computer clean and organized, you need to be very decisive in naming and arranging folders, especially in deciding what to keep in your computer and what to keep in a saving disk. The saving or backup disk could be an external hard disk or cloud storage. The important thing is to save disk space so that the computer can breathe to work more efficiently. Cloud storage is cost-saving, secure, flexible, and mobile. It has the advantage of file sharing, collaboration, and disaster recovery. The on-demand files feature on Microsoft OneDrive helps you access all the files in OneDrive without having to download all of them and use storage space on your device. All you have to do is put all your files into OneDrive, right-click and select Free Up Space option. Once your files are synced to the cloud, no matter how big your file size was in reality, it would be just kilobytes on your disk. Once you need it, you can click it and the OneDrive will download it for you. Just as you did in OneDrive, add the files into the iCloud folder, right-click the file and select Remove Download. Same as OneDrive, no matter how big the file size was in reality, it will stay in the cloud and your system will occupy no more than just a few kilobytes. That is how you will do it if you are either a OneDrive user or an iCloud user. The same method will be applied to Google Drive or whatever cloud storage you choose to use. Hope that was a helpful tip. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing to my channel. Assalamu alaikum.